Good morning mga kagala. So ayan si Asher, nagayang lumabas, sinahatak ako. Pinabubuksan yung pintuan. So alas 7 na ng umaga. Asher, Amir, shh! Huwag ka lalayo, dito ka lang. Asher! Asher! Shh, come here. Huwag kang lalayo. Come here, Asher. Wow! Car! Bus! Masayang masaya eh. Oh. Pinabubuksan sa akin ito, nag-aya sa labas eh. Wow! What's that, anak? Car! Where's the car, anak? Asher, where's the car? Ang daming car, no? Asher, huwag ka nang lalayo. Hanggang dyan ka lang. Oh, what is that? Bird, dove. Dove. Asher, come here. Shh. Asher, come here. Come here, anak. Naiinit ko sa loob eh. Kaya, tawag ito. Naiinit na at hindi siya nakakalabas eh. Pinabubuksan yung pinto, pinapahatak sa akin eh. Kinukuha yung kamay ko eh. Wow! Love you. Are you happy? Happy anak ko ha. Are you happy, Asher? So, ganito na mga kagala. Paalam. So, wala pang hinamos. Bye. Asher, come here. What is that, anak? Car. Asher, shh, stop. Come here. Stop. Halika na, huwag ka nang lalayo. Come here, Asher, don't go there. Asher, come here. Asher boy. Wow, car. Where's the car? Car. Where's the car, anak? Car. Asher, come here na. Asher, come here. Shh. Asher. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, no, don't eat that. It's okay. No, don't eat that. What is this? Flower. Flower. You smell? You smell? You smell the flower. What is that? Flower. Flower. Don't eat that, ah. That is not food. Just only smell, ha? Oh. Ano amoy, anak? Ano amoy ng bulaklak, ha? What the smell of the flower? Ha? Dahan-dahan ka, ha? So, paalam na po mga kagala. Hanggang dito na lang. Bye-bye.